You'll remember from the last video, I grouped my objects together, but I want to be able to edit them separately right now. So since I've selected them, you'll see here I have the option to ungroup. I'm going to click on that. They are now individually editable items. Over here on the right-hand side, I could change the different text I have. So I could have one word be one font, the other word be a different font. Maybe I want to bring back the idea of putting a shape behind my text. Mm, Probably not. Oh, padding's cool. If you do have a shape, it lets you shrink how tight or how big the shape is around your text. But, oh, don't know what I did there. If you do something you don't like it, you can click undo. It's Control Z on your keyboard or Command Z if you are using a Mac. Okay, I'm going back to no backing shape. Effects, we'll do things like create outlines. It's really hard to see because my secondary color here is this very light color. There we go. So I'm able to change the color up here. Here are the two colors that are currently available. These are some other options that I could use. If I don't like this color, what's cool is I can click on these little sliders for change color, and I could make it any other color I wanted. And just make sure I hit save. So you have some options for manipulating things that way. The style wheel is kind of cool. It just gives you suggestions. So if you click on style and start whirling this around, it will give you some different ideas for fonts and styles that you can use. Important things to remember are the things that you click on. They'll have this bounding box. That is what you are editing. So if I wanted to change the color of this or where it is, like right now, if I move it, it's a little hard to see, but you can see the mist is on top of the glasses. The order will change where it is in relation to the other objects on the screen. Opacity changes how see-through it is. Some fun stuff you can do with that. So those are some other options you have for editing through text. You can play with the different shapes. Play with the padding. You can go in and change the colors. You can get incredibly specific about the colors. So when you click shuffle, it goes between the two. Or you can click on the sliders and choose a different color if you want. So those are some of the options that you have to manipulate your icon, your logo parts.